You can use Ableton to make professional sounding and highly creative DJ mixes, beat matching songs, and creating interesting sets that combine elements of 2 or more tracks at a time. You can also use Ableton's effects and other functions to blur the lines between DJing and production in your sets. So create 2 audio tracks and name one deck A and name the other deck B. So you can resize them, make them a bit bigger so you can see what you're looking at. Now reveal the crossfader, so click the X button in the hide and show options. This brings up the crossfader here and the track assign buttons here. So assign deck A to side A of the crossfader and assign deck B to side B of the crossfader. Now when you slide to the left, only tracks on side A will be played, and if you slide to the right, obviously only tracks on side B will be played. So we'll leave it in the center for now. Set the tempo to around 127 BPM. Then go out and get the DJ tracks from the week 4 folder, all 4 of them, and you can stick 2 in each track. You're going to have to set the warp mode to complex, so you can select all of them at the same time and do this. Set warp mode to complex. Okay, since there's more than one instrument, they're deemed complex. Now you're going to have to use some of the warping techniques we learned last week in week 3. So first of all, the 3 steps: setting 1.1.1 on the first beat of the track, so making sure that Ableton knows exactly where the track begins. Then you'll probably need to bring it a bit closer to the current tempo, so choose warp from here. And finally, if you need to, you might have to quantize the audio. So click into the waveform, hit Command A to select all. The quantize settings, probably quarter notes will do for this. Hit OK, and that'll all be snapped to the grid. So just make sure. Okay, so that one's off. The first beat wasn't set properly. Quantize. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. So repeat that for the rest of the tracks. Find the first beat, set it, choose warp from here to get it closer to the track tempo, and if you need, then quantize the audio. Okay, so I've got the 4 tracks prepared down here. Now, the next thing you might want to do is assign some controls on your physical MIDI controller to controls in the software, and that's what we're going to do in the next video.